Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create new kids profile on your Netflix account. So all you have to do, open your Netflix on your mobile phone. So you can tap on the top of your screen, your profile picture here, tap and tap on manage profiles. Here you can tap add profile and then give your profile name and then choose the icon. You can choose the classic one. And then you can turn on kids profile here, made for kids 12 and under, but parents have all the control here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the X button below. See you in the next video.